I hope you all are safe and secure, and today I'm here on my YouTube channel reviewing Sugar Cosmetics newly launched skincare products. And this is their, wait a sec, Aquaholic range, and it's all like a water based skincare range by Sugar Cosmetics, and I super duper love it because I need hydration and everybody needs hydration for their skin. Okay, everybody needs hydration for their skin, and this is the perfect range for you guys, for you dry skins out there, and also for the oily skin types, because you cannot use oils on your face because you're already having oily skin. So I highly recommend you guys to use water-based skincare products. So this is your answer, especially for both the skin types, dry and oily. I mean, this is a perfect thing for both of you guys. So if you guys want to watch how all these skincare products work, stay tuned. And also, if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell notification if you want to get notified every time I do an upload. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get started.
Hey guys, so this is the Sugar Cosmetics Aquaholic skincare range, and I am super duper excited for this range because it's all about hydration, and that's what your skin needs this time. So this is the package in which it comes, and these are the products. So first of all, I'm cleansing my face with this Aquaholic instant pore cleansing mask. So you just have to massage it all your face. It's like a gel based consistency, if you can see, but when you massage it on your face and apply it for 1 or 2 minutes, it will give you a foamy like texture. You'll see in a while how it creates foam like texture on your face. See? And then you have to massage it all over, and then wash your face properly after massaging it. So this is how you do it. So my skin looks amazing. It's not drying at all after wash, and I'm so excited for all these products. And next up, I'm using pore exfoliating scrub. Exfoliation is best for your skin, and this is the exfoliator, how it looks like, and it has a small granules inside it along with a gel based or hydrating kind of consistency. So I'm just massaging it all over my face and scrubbing everything, the areas where I need exfoliation and which is dry most of the times. So it looks so good, and then I have to wash my face and I'll come back. So my skin looks super fresh because of this all hydration and everything. And now I'm using Aquaholic serum, and this is so soothing, you guys. I cannot tell you how much I love this serum. It just gives you instant refreshness on your face. I really love it. So good, so good. And then clarifying spot gel. This is something new that I've tried this time. I've never used a gel based thing to clarify my spots. You can see how many pimple acne marks I have on my face, and I was applying it all over the marks and spots. It claims that it will clear off your blemishes and everything on your face. So it works like this. It's a roll on, and then it's hydrating primer. And you guys, this is like a bomb primer I've ever used. It just mattifies your skin like in seconds, and it just blurs your pores, and foundation looks bomb on the top. And then after applying the primer, I will be applying Sugar Cosmetics matte foundation that they sent me before, and I've used shade 10 Latte, the second lightest shade in the range, and I really loved the finish. I am truly a fan of this foundation, and can't even tell you how much I love this foundation. It's so mattifying and not drying at the same time, so that's a plus for me, and it just makes your skin so smooth like a clean canvas. So then with Sugar's loose powder, I'll be setting up everything in place. It just mattifies your skin like crazy, and your skin looks flawless. I assure you that. You can completely trust on me and buy everything. And then within a fraction of seconds, I'm done with my entire face makeup. And then the favorite part from Sugar Cosmetics is the mascara by Sugar Cosmetics. I really love it. This is the affordable and amazing mascara I have ever seen, because see the difference in the lashes. It just looks like you have applied falsies. And this is their metallic lipsticks, I guess, and I love this shade. This gives me like rose vibes, the Titanic rose vibes. I really love this. And this is how the look turned out, and I really enjoyed it. And at the end, you don't miss setting your makeup with the spray. So Sugar Cosmetics setting spray is really good. It smells like a perfume. I really love the scent. If you are a person who loves strong scents, this is for you. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do subscribe and press the bell notification. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.